Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set message tone from files on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, tap this. In sounds and vibration, scroll down again and you can see here the message tone. And the message tone is set into tones. Okay, to set this message tone from files, okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And you can see here the custom. And you can see in custom the select from files. Okay, you can tap this. You can see the option here. So you can scroll down for more message tone. And okay guys, for my example, I set the biglang liko. So you can tap this. And after you select the music or message tone from your files, okay, go back. And you can see the biglang liko here in custom or select from files. And okay guys, go back again to see the message tone is set into biglang liko. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set message tone from files on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.